two more things that I wanted to flip through. This is dashboard stickers, and I want to check this out because I'm not even sure what this is. I love dashboards because I like to use them to mark where I'm at in the week. So I love these colors. They're like mint. Oh, and a really pretty peach. And then it looks like it's got these like tabs. Oh, okay. So you could, let's do this. Let me take one of these out. You can stack your sticker pages. Like let's say, you know, you want to use certain stickers and you can put them in your dashboard. So you could technically plan, let's see if I can get these in here. You could plan the week. Like let's say I want to put this in my planner for next week, or if I'm going to be on the go or something, and you can put your stickers in there like that. I'm sorry, I don't think I have it in there. Perfect. There we go. And then you could flip through and have your stickers handy for that week. So you could fit 3 pages per dashboard. This would be really good for planning, pre-planning. So like, let's say I'm going to use some flowers, and I know some people don't tear things out of their book, but you could even, if you've got any of these blank sheets, you can use them to like put your stickers down. I do that a lot. And then you could actually use that, put them in here, and just click it into the week of your planner, maybe next week, and you've got your stickers ready to go for that week. Or if you're going to be traveling or not at home with all your sticker books when you plan, you can put them in here and be ready to go. That is really cool. I like that. Alrighty. Let's check this out. This is a daily hourly schedule. Again, these colors are gorgeous. Let's check one out. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. We'll just take one of these out. I always have a hard time when I take just one sheet out. I feel like the little notches get stuck. So let's see if I can do it without getting, ooh, I did it, without getting stuck on everything. Okay, so let's take a look. This is, so you put the date, you've got your top priorities by the hour, and then I love me some checklists, so all the things. The back is just dot grid to write notes. This is perfection. Especially when you have a really busy day, it's really great to have this in your planner. You can even fold it. Let's see, like this. And have it in your planner, top priorities and all the things. And then when you flip it, there's your hourly, and then you can write notes inside. So there's a lot of different ways you can use it. You can use it like this inside your planner, or you can use it just as a full sheet. So this is really, really useful. They're coming out with some really innovative and fun ways to add things to your happy planner. I'm really excited about this one. This is, you're like, why? It's just a pink Corksicle. But you guys, it's a happy planner Corksicle water bottle. So cool. So you can use all of the different vinyl stickers, like the Disney ones. And there are also other ones coming out that you can put on your water bottle. So this is going to be so much fun. I love it. All right, let's take a closer look at this cute portable pouch. This is so cool. It's like a faux leather with the leopard print and the hot pink. This you can slide cards in here, and then here you've got pen loops. On the reverse, this is the elastic that would attach to the outside of your planner, and then you can just have it kind of on the go and ready. And then it's got the pink liner inside. This is so pretty. It also comes available in a floral, so you can use that as well. Let me grab a planner and show you kind of how it goes on. I grab a Disney one, and you can just grab the elastic and you put it around the outside of your planner and then just slide it on. So it kind of, whoops, I've got it caught on this. There we go. So it actually holds the planner closed. and kind of keeps everything handy for you. And then when you're on the go, these items are all available for you. So you can put your pens and, you know, wash your whatever you want inside the pouch. So it's perfect for on the go and having all of your things in one place. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. And these, again, are going to be in the December release, and I'll have more information in the description. And please like and subscribe for more videos from me. Thanks so much for watching.